Very cool. Well, what kind of trends are you noticing as you are testing out all the new technology?
Well, I mean, the big trend for the year is definitely going to be AR. I was just talking in Nova Scotia, and while I'm talking, this guy walks up to me. He's a guy that does tile for bathrooms, okay? The guy that does tile for bathrooms wrote his own AR so that you can scan your bathroom with your phone, and then it will pick the cuts of the tile that you want. He'll box it up and send it to you as a do-it-yourself project. So when you see somebody that's just, and he's like a one or two man show, putting out AR for the phone, that's going to allow you to sort of pre-manufacture tile, you know that AR is going to have a really good year this year. I was at the same conference, I was talking to some programmers, and they were showing me the number of programmers that are desired by the market for AR applications, and it's huge. It's just massive. So I think this is going to be a really good year for AR. I was excited to see what I saw with the HoloLens, but a little more to purpose. I've seen a lot of phones, iPads, and other things sort of using the AR apps to the best of their advantage to get some real stuff done. ICT Tracker is one of them. You know, there are some great apps out there, but I think that this year will be the year of AR.
Why do you think the boom in AR all of a sudden?
Well, you know what? I've noticed it takes like 4 or 5 years for any of these trends to catch on. And, you know, we saw it coming out 4 or 5 years ago. It started to do different things. And then last year, Mechanical Inc. and a bunch of other mechanicals put out a lot of use cases. You know, they put out a lot of use cases. And then add on to that, Microsoft putting out a real piece of hardware. You know, the new piece of hardware they put out will measure the distance to your eye, which will adjust how those holograms look and make them more accurate. The way that it's matching the holograms to your environment's much better. So really, it's like the technology has come of age, and the use cases have been piling up. And you know, a lot of those pieces and parts in programming, they actually evolve. Like somebody will evolve a little piece or part of programming that captures really good, you know, mechanical piping. But after that, all the programs are going to build off those pieces and parts. So I think it's reached that sort of critical mass. I think all of the sort of high-end contractors, you'll see them using it this year, and it will trickle down over the next 2 years to the sort of the smaller shops, the shops that aren't as tech-centered.